Say you have this amazing worksheet. Looks something like this. Wouldn't it be great not to have to run off a bunch of copies and distribute them and have kids lose them? Now we can actually take this, save this, import this as an annotation assignment in Schoology where kids can mark it up using text and drawing. So let me show you. So we're going to start. We're going to actually right click as it says and save our PDF. All right, now I open that up, I check it. Looks good. I don't want the answer key. I just want page 1. So in this case, I'm going to hit the print button. Little trick here, and we're going to change this to print to PDF. And I'm just going to say, I just want page 1. Print it. It's actually going to bring up my save dialog box. Okay, so from here, we're going to be able to take this now, and let's head into Schoology. Now, when I go to make an assignment, I'm actually going to see I have a new option right along where I used to see the OneDrive assignment. Now I see both the OneDrive assignment option and an annotation assignment. All right, so right here, we now see annotations assignment. I'm going to click on that. And this works just like the OneDrive assignments used to work. I'm going to find my activity. We're going to give the assignment information. Set up my category and my due date, and click create. That's actually going to create a copy of this for each student. So let's switch to a student view. And as a student, we can go to our class where we're going to be able to find our activity. Now, instead of a submit button, you'll see the word has changed to start assignment. We're going to click on that. And this is going to create an individual copy of that assignment. As a teacher, so here I am as a teacher, I'm opening up that assignment. I'm taking a look at it here. It looks like that same submission area we saw with a traditional assignment. So we get all the traditional assignment features. But now we have this new and improved amazing toolbar. I'm going to click on that T tool for free text. I can select a color and I can come and click anywhere I want on the page, and it's going to say insert text here. And I can type my answer. So I can say A equals. Now at this point, I want to add a degree symbol. So I'm actually going to come here to my little draw toolbar. There we go. It's 78 degrees. All right, and I can then switch back and forth and do the same thing. For B, I can click on that box. It'll say insert text here. And this time, we will pick a new color. And we will go to the draw, and we can throw in a little degree symbol. And you guys can see in here I have the ability to draw some different shapes. I have a free line. I can customize the colors. This is like a highlighter. I notice I don't even have to be close. It finds the center and it fixes it. For my drawing toolbar, I can free draw totally using the different pens. If I decide I have made a mess of things, I have my eraser. Or I can use this button to clear all annotations to start over. Now, say I wasn't done with this. I want to come back and work on it later. That's fine. I can just close this. I can go to the back arrow. I can switch classes in Schoology, close the tab. It's going to save that as a draft, so the students can see that. Now, back on the teacher end, it hasn't been turned in, so I still can't see that. I don't see drafts yet until I only see submitted work. So this is one difference from the Microsoft assignment, but I can come in, open up, or click on that edit draft to be taken back into here where I can finish it up and just hit submit when I am finished. Now back on the teacher end, I can come in and I can look to see what's been submitted. I get the needs grading, I get the alerts, I get the ability to use the rubrics if they're embedded or type scores. I get the submission activity area, and I get the ability to use the drawing annotation tools that come along with this software. So big pros, okay? We're able to take anything that's a PDF. We're able to have students annotate on it using text, and that text tool makes it so much easier. If they don't want to draw, they can draw, but they can type, and they can type anywhere on the page, even easier than they could on just your standard Word document. So really great features and functions. The only downside to this is that you can't see their work until they hit submit. So it is incumbent on that student to hit submit, but they can come in and resubmit just like they would with a traditional assignment. Great feature. Super excited to see it rolled on board. You can see here they can actually download this. They can print this. If they like, they can also put it in dark mode. If they need a little more eye contrast. So they have all these different functions and features available to them inside of Schoology. And the last thing I want you to know, you don't just have to use a PDF. You can actually do this with anything, a Word document, something that's been saved as a web page file, so an HTML-based file, a picture, PowerPoints, Excel spreadsheets. These can all be uploaded here, and they can annotate on top of them just in that same way. So just about any file type you can start with can be added in this way, making it extra exciting.